Hey guys, we received this 93-inch U-shaped boneless couch for test and try. It's a Corduroy cloud couch with a sectional with a Chaise and Ottoman. So deep seat modular sectional sofa for the living room, and this is the 93-inch size. Comes in this two box set, and you can see it's a memory foam. It's a vacuum packed, and you have to be careful while opening this up. It's very satisfying how you open this up and see like it just regain its shape, so no assembly required. So you can easily take up the space, and this is L-shaped with the ottoman, so around 93 inches in the length, 63 inch in the width, and 23.63 in the height. The actual height for the Chaise, it's 16 inches by 33.5. So nice overall. So let me just open this up and give it a 24 to 48 hours time to regain its shape. And this is how it looks. Comes with the pillows and the handrest and everything. So this is pretty good. Very nice soft fabric, as you can see it here. And you can easily wash that from the zipper. You can just take out with the zipper thing and have this headrest for the back seat as well. After the full regain shape, you can see this is really looking nice with the L-shaped sofa and the ottoman, so giving a U-shaped sofa look, and then are comfortable as well. So it's a nice back support, lumbar support, hip support, and the leg support with a deep and spacious Chaise, 16 inch in the height, this couch, and then it matches perfectly good. So the good thing I like is the same fabric for the pillow as the couch, so this really gives a nice look. And then you can use it, reshape it the way you want with a nice structure here, like with the ottoman. So you can use the ottoman as table or for the footrest or anything you want. So as you can see it here, with the fabric and the cushion, is regain its shape pretty good. Is a 3065D memory foam. And let's explore this more while I taking the test for the jumping and then how much it can hold. So it can hold up to a 1200 lbs of this weight. And then the thing, so while sitting on it, you can see it's really comfortable with the lounger, like it expands completely. You can easily sit on it, and with the foot and the rest is not sinking in while you are normally sitting on it. Say when you are jumping on it, it's a nice cushioned memory foam thing, which really gives a nice look. But of course, like at its a memory foam, it's like a big the twin mattress, just be careful about that part as well. But it's really thick, 16 inches, so much better than a mattress. But then comfortability wise, cool wise, it's really good, and fabric gives a very nice soft cushion thing with the jumping around. It's pretty good, no other harm, no assembly, so pretty nice couch.